Lost when people talk about the stock market? Let's fix that in 60 seconds. Do you feel like stock market talk is another language? Let me break it down so you can invest confidently even if you're starting today. A stock is like owning a piece of a shop. Buy MTN shares and you own part of MTN. Dividends are your share of the shop's profits. If MTN makes money, you get a slice as cash. Market cap is the total value of all a company's shares. Big companies like MTN have large market caps. Smaller ones like Camelot have smaller caps. A bull market means prices keep going up. Everyone's excited and more people are buying. A bear market is when prices keep dropping. Investors are cautious and many are selling. An IPO is when a company sells its shares to the public for the first time. YTD shows how much a stock or index has gone up or down since January 1st. Volume is how many shares are traded in a day. High volume means high interest. Blue-chip stocks are big, stable companies that pay regular dividends like Standard Chartered Bank Ghana or GCB. The PE ratio tells you how much people are willing to pay for each CD of profit the company makes. Knowing these terms is like learning the rules of a game before playing. You avoid costly mistakes and spot opportunities others miss. If you hear MTN's market cap is up 10% YTD with a dividend yield of 5%, you instantly know MTN's total value has grown 10% this year. If you invest GHS 1000, you could expect about GHS 50 in dividends if it maintains that yield. Now you've got the basics, no more nodding in confusion when people talk stocks. Tell me, which of these terms did you just learn for the first time? Stock market terms made easy. Whether you're trading MTN Ghana or exploring Treasury Bills, knowing the lingo puts you ahead. Let's grow our money smart together. Like and share, subscribe for more investment tips and terms.